gonna show you that how you can scan a document in your computer. Okay, so first of all, assure that your printer is connected and working properly. Okay, after the assurance, just you have to click on this start icon, just type scan. You can click on this, or you can click on Windows Fax and Scan. Just click on this. Okay, now just insert your paper in the scanner and click on new scan. You can see this new scan. Just click on this. Okay, here your scanner name is showing, Canon G3000 series. Okay, now you can scan the document. Scan. So you can see the page is scanning. You just have to wait for a second. It's in a process. So now you can see the scanned document. Okay, now you just have to save it in your desired location. Just type the file name like doc1, just save it. To open that document which I have saved, just click on File Explorer. Now click on Documents, Scan Documents, and this doc1. This was the file that I saved. Now you just have to click on it, open it, see. This is the file that I scanned. Thank you. Hope you like it.